Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. No USB needed, no data loss. Using Microsoft's own tools, this method keeps all your files and apps intact. It's quick, safe, and straightforward. Let's dive in. Before we grab the Windows 11 files, there's one crucial check we need to do: matching your current system language. Why? Because a mismatch can block the upgrade from preserving your apps and files. So let's peek under the hood. Click the Start button, type CMD in the search bar, and select Run as Administrator to open Command Prompt with elevated privileges. Once it's open, type this exact command: dism/online/get-intl. Press Enter and let it run. Scan the output for the line labeled Default System UI Language. It'll show something like EN-US for English United States, or whatever your regional setting is. Jot that down. We'll need it to ensure a smooth match later. Easy peasy. And now you're armed with the info. With that noted, fire up your favorite browser, Chrome, Edge, whatever you fancy, and search for Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. The top result should land you on Microsoft's official download page. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO, click the drop-down, and pick Windows 11. Now, select the exact language you just checked: English, United States, or your equivalent. Finally, hit the 64-bit download button. Brace yourself. This ISO clocks in at about 5.4 gigabytes, so grab a coffee while it downloads. Patience here pays off big time. Once the download wraps up, locate that ISO file in your Downloads folder. Right-click it and choose Mount from the context menu. Windows will treat it like a virtual DVD, popping up in File Explorer under this PC as a new drive, something like DVD drive E:. Open that mounted drive, select all the files inside by pressing Ctrl+A, then copy them with Ctrl+C. Now, switch over to your C drive in File Explorer. Right-click in an empty spot and select New Folder. Name it Win11. Double-click to open it, then paste everything in with Ctrl+V. Your upgrade toolkit is assembled right on your hard drive. No messy USB needed. All right, the fun part: launching the setup while skipping those pesky hardware checks. This is the key if your rig isn't fully compliant, but even if it is, it won't hurt. Back to your admin command prompt or terminal. Now, enter this powerhouse command: /win11 /setup.exe/product server. Press Enter and watch the magic unfold. The Windows 11 installation wizard will spring to life, cleverly disguised under a server label. Don't sweat it. That's just the bypass doing its thing, and it'll deliver the real Windows 11 edition matching your 10 license, like Home or Pro. In the Setup window, click Next to proceed. You'll hit the license agreement, read it if you want, then check the box to accept. Here's the golden moment. Choose what to keep. Make sure Personal Files and Apps is selected. That's your ticket to no data loss. If it looks good, hit Install. Windows will now scan your system, download any tiny updates if needed, and prep everything. This might take a few minutes. Grab another sip of that coffee. Once it's ready, the real installation kicks off. Your PC will restart multiple times, so hands off the power button. Let it chug along. After what feels like an eternity, but really isn't, you'll boot straight into your familiar Windows 11 desktop. Everything's exactly where you left it. Files in their folders, apps in the Start menu, settings untouched. To double-check the upgrade nailed it, click the Start button, type WinVer, and press Enter. A pop-up will confirm you're running the latest Windows 11 build. Oh, and tidy up by heading back to C drive, right-clicking the Win11 folder, and selecting Delete to reclaim that space. There you go. That's your complete, foolproof path to upgrading from Windows 10 to 11 for free, keeping it all seamless and stress-free. I love how this breathes new life into older hardware without the hassle. If this tutorial saved your setup or sparked some upgrade joy, smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more no-nonsense guides like this. Your support keeps the tech passion flowing. Drop a comment. Did it work like a charm? Or what's your first Windows 11 must-try? Until next time, stay passionate about tech.